What is going on, guys? I am Froggy, and you might be wondering what this is. Or you might know what this is, but you probably don't. Anyways, it is a typewriter. It is a electric typewriter, to be exact. And it is a Smith Corona, to be more exact. And it is a, I need to open it. Smith Corona SO 400, to be even more exact. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, it's a electric typewriter, and I'm gonna show you it. So first, you need paper. Put the paper in. Come on, go in, please. Okay, you gotta line it up with that line there, and then just put it down. Down. Oh, it's gotta be like perfect. Okay, let me put it in. Okay, I put the paper in. Then you just turn it on. Here it is. There we go. And then turn this. And then open that. Push it up and lock it. Bam. And it's straight enough. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna type in stuff. So yeah. So I'm gonna bring my chair over here so I can just show you it while sitting down. So here it is. I'm going to type in. You already know what I'm gonna type in. Caps lock. And I don't know what year this is from, but it gotta be at least kind of old because I don't think they don't even make typewriters anymore. And you might be wondering, how are you going to get more ribbon to ink it, like the ink? Well, my grandma said we could like re-ink the ribbon or something. I don't know. She knows. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So caps lock and you already know. Bam. Froggy. There we go. Anyways, yeah. So yeah. And then we got. I'll show you that in just a minute. Anyways, and then you just go return like that, and it goes to the next line. And yeah, it's really cool. And then yeah, so we got margin, but that's already been set. So we're not messing with that. It makes a terrible beeping noise when you do that. Code, I don't know. Anyways, I'm just covering like the typing stuff. So yeah. And then type in my real name. Max. And yeah. So come on, focus. So yeah, it's really cool. So if you mess up, they got correct, which they use something to like erase it. So just backspace and then just press correct, and this is what it does. Focus. What? There we go. See? And then you can hardly see the X. Bam. And I don't know what it uses to erase stuff once it runs out of whatever erases it. Or it doesn't need anything to erase it. I don't know. But yeah. So you're not supposed to use it like all the time. Like, that's what I heard. Return. And you can just keep on pressing return. It'll just go higher and higher up. And then just like type random stuff. Like, I know. Like this. Focus. Yo, mom. I just typed Froggy and Sam because he's my little brother and he's at school right now. And we're doing homeschool this year, so my mom was like homeschool. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna go to school next year, but yeah. Anyways, yeah. yeah, that's it. There's not really much else to really say or do. So yeah, let me just type stuff like that, like randomness. It is really fast and really slick, you know. And also they got like caps lock. You know, like write. I guess you could like type paragraphs or something. You know. Anyways, it's sick and it's cool. So I'm into vintage. I'm into vintage stuff. And I need to show you this. Let me go ahead and so what you do to take the paper out is you just open it. Boom. Paper is out. That's what I did. There. Anyways, yeah, and then just turn it off. I just feel like turning it off is a better thing. And then we can do this. So it like locks down. Gonna have to. There we go. So it's a correctable. That's my grandma noticed that. She was like, "Ooh, cool." So yeah, and yeah, so it's really cool. Like this thing. I mean, it's probably very expensive. You know, I mean, we got it for $4, but it was probably like $400. I mean, the bag that it came in. And then we got that. Oh, my phone is low on power. Yeah, it is. It's on 5%. Oh, look at that. Anyways, yeah, I guess that's just like how to use it. But I already know how to use it, so. But yeah. And then you just like snap it back, which is not. You just gotta push it back and snap it in place. So yeah, it's really cool. So bye. See you on the next video. Cheerio. And I gotta do this. Subscribe! So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. My phone is about to die right now. I need to stop this video and then plug it in. Anyways, yeah, so yeah. That is that's an electric typewriter. That is my video of electric typewriter that I got at this one place that is, it closed down yesterday. Anyways, yeah, and they were selling it. It was kind of like a Mr. Beast thing, like whatever you can fit in the bag, you can get all of it for $4. So they gave us a trash bag, and whatever we could fit inside of it, we could get it, all of it, for $4. Another thing that I got in that bag was this awesome seashell. You can't find this where I live. So, yeah, I don't think you can find this where I live. It's a really big one, and I know it's real. I mean, it's big for where I live, like, it's a big seashell for me. I mean, it might be a basic size for you if you live in Florida. Anyways, yeah, it's really cool, so. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, turn on those notifications so you never miss any of my future uploads, and I will see you on the next video. Cheerio.